What's up, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So I'm trying to still get my office together here. Certain things set up a certain way. So you normally see me in this area right here, kind of open, but I think I'm going to put this sound bar there. This is a wireless sound bar from Allegiant. And it's a stereo sound bar. So you've got a stereo setup here. It's got a clock and everything on there. It's 20 watts, so it should be pretty good for a small area like this. It's Bluetooth 4.2, and it's a good size. You can see you can make phone calls with it. It's got a line in the SD card slot. It's got a clock. You get a little instruction manual that I definitely cannot read. And now we're gonna just jump into this. This is what you'll get. I like that you get this aux cable right here. If you have a computer, that's the one you want to use. You don't want to use this one right here. So, actually got a little bit of weight to it. Kind of surprised at how much weight it has. Alright, so here it is. Alright. This is what you'll get in the box. Let's put that aside for now. Let's get this peeled off. And I'll show you around the clock. So right up top here, you can see it's really nice design. You got your controls here. If I would have it the right orientation, you got your controls here for mode. Looks like volume up and down, pause and play, phone calls, a mic there, your clock, and your surround sound more than likely. So let's see here. Here we go. On the back here, you've got a nice on and off switch. That's what I like. You got your DC, your aux, your TF, and your USB out if you need to charge something. This does have a 2,000 milliamp hour battery inside, so let's crank it on here. Let's see. And I'm going to pair it to my computer. So let's go to Bluetooth here. And I'm going to go ahead and see if this is how you pair most things. We'll pause and play. So hopefully that's how it does with this one, where I'm going to have to read the menu. Let's go to mode. Here we go. So let's get this thing fired up here, and I can see it picking up on my computer here. You can't see it, but I can. I'm just waiting for it to kind of label. I like that you just hold down mode. It's either going to be hold down pause or play, or hold down mode in order to get most of these connected. So it is now connected to my computer. It's right there. This would be nice to keep this just sitting right here. I think that's a good look. So it paired because you can see it went back to the time, but that time is an hour off. So I wonder if I hold here. It's a shame I'm like freestyling in this video. I wonder if I hold here. What happens here? You get an alarm clock and everything. Okay. I'll get into the application to test out to change the time. But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and let's play something here and give you a sound test. All right. It's super scratchy. I don't know if it's just the Bluetooth connection or it needs charging. Don't know. I'm gonna plug it up though. See if that'll do anything for it. Because that doesn't sound good at all. All right, I've got it plugged in. I tested it out. It's still kind of scratchy. I don't know what that's about. But I'm going to try it could just be the Bluetooth connection. I'm going to plug in here and see if that makes a difference. I'll try the aux and see if I get better sound. Because I might need to run aux. Don't know. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so I plugged in Aux, and it sounds like that's what it is. And it's peak volume there, but I don't have peak volume on my PC or my MacBook or my, I'm all over the place, my iMac. So I crank the volume up on my iMac. This isn't a loudspeaker, but the Bluetooth connectivity seems to be pretty bad in this situation. Maybe I could pair it to a phone or something and test it out and see if that does better. But I'm gonna disconnect here from my Mac and hook it to a phone and see if I get any different results with the Bluetooth, because that was kind of scratchy for some reason. I don't know what that was about, but we're gonna pair it to a phone here, and let's unplug this, and then I'm also gonna disconnect from the computer here. Let me play it again with Bluetooth and see what happens. Yeah, for some reason with the Mac, the Bluetooth it's not acting right. So let's disconnect from there, and then I'm gonna go to here and connect to my Note and see if the sound is the same. So let's find it here. Here it is right here. So it's pairing. All right, so it's connected to the Note. Now let me get a song. All right, let's play that same song over here. Oh gosh. All right, so here we go. Okay, so yeah, it was just the Mac. It could be something going on with the Mac. I am doing a system update, but I don't know if that would affect it. But Bluetooth is good on here. For some reason with my Mac, I'll try that again in another setting, but it's good, man. Not a loud speaker, but definitely loud for an office setting like this. And this will probably just sit right here. You'll start to see this thing just sit right here. You'll see it sit right here, and this is where I'll probably leave it because I want a nice sound on my Mac. I think it deserves better sound. The Mac has great speakers, but that deepness, it's just not there sometimes. So, it's your man Jay Will. Quick video, new soundbar for the office. What do you guys think? Take care.